you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I trimmed my hair. I trimmed it for the new year. Although you guys couldn't tell while my hair was curly, my ends were dry and they needed to be gone. So I started off by washing and conditioning my hair. Of course, you want to work on clean hair. I used some new products from Camille Rose, so I will have a review coming soon. But yeah, my hair is clean and soft. Now I'm going to go in with my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir, of course, just to apply it onto my scalp so that it's nice, moisturized. I don't have to worry about flakes and all that good stuff, and it's going to help promote hair growth. So my brand Goddess Curls website will be linked down below to check out my products, but I'm just working that on in and massaging it with my fingers. Now, I didn't realize that my camera wasn't filming, but I did just go ahead and detangle my hair in 6 sections. So I sprayed it with water, detangled it with my Tangle Teezer brush, and then I added some heat protectant and twisted it up. So the heat protectant that I use is this Fantasia IC Heat Protector. I'll link it down below. I really like this one. But now I'm just going to work in each twist or each section. Since it has 2 pieces, I'm going to clip one piece away and work with the first piece to blow dry it. So I have a Rev Air blow dryer. If you guys want to know more about the Rev Air, how it works, the pros, the cons, all that good stuff, I will have a video down below where I do an in-depth review. So yeah, I'm just basically just going to speed past this part, but I did just want to show you how it gets my hair nice and stretched, and then you'll see my hair completely stretched. So this is my hair completely blow dried and stretched. I do want to say that if you wear your hair primarily straight, I would recommend you to get your hair professionally trimmed just to make sure your hair is nice, precise, and even for when you wear your silk presses and things. But if you wear your hair primarily curly like me, I don't feel like doing at-home trims, whether it's on twisted hair or blow dried hair is bad, just because it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, because you're really not going to notice if one piece of hair is a little bit shorter than the other when your hair is curly. That's just my 2 cents. Of course, do what works for you, what you feel comfortable with. But now I'm just going to take small pieces of hair and start trimming my ends. So I didn't realize that when I was trimming some of these first few pieces, I was out of frame, so you really can't even see me trim it. So I will kind of speed past some of these first few pieces, but this is what my ends look like. They're dry, they're split. I'm going to look at my hair, I'm going to feel my hair, and then that lets me know where I'm going to cut. Also, make sure you have some sharp, fresh trimming scissors, you guys. I did not realize that my trimming scissors were dull, so that made it a process as well. But yeah, anyways, I still just went along and did what I had to do because these ends needed to go, and as you guys can see, my ends look so much better after trimming them off. So I'm just going to speed past this. You will kind of see me making sure that my hair is, I wouldn't say completely even, but just leveled out. I don't want any pieces much longer than the others or too short. So yeah.
taking my time, I've been taking my time. Taking all of your time, taking all of your time. I've been taking my time, I've been taking my time. Taking all of your time, taking all of your time. Can we talk about it for a while? Before we take a chance and do this, before we looking back as foolish. Can we talk about it for a while? Before we take a chance and do this, before we looking back as foolish. You got me floating, and I can take it. You got me floating, and I can't take it. You got me floating, and I can't take it. You got me floating, and I can't take it. I've been taking my time, I've been taking my time. Taking all of your time, taking all of your time. I've been taking my time, I've been taking my time.
Alright, you guys, so I am done trimming my hair now. I'm just kind of looking at the camera at myself to make sure it looks good on both sides, and I did go in my mirror just to like touch up any areas, but yeah, this is my trimmed hair. It felt so much better. I cannot wait to do my first wash day of the year and see my curls just spring up a bit more. My ends look a little better. I do want to say that I want to make sure I am more consistent and thorough with my trims throughout the year. As I've shared in several videos, I usually will just, you know, look and trim occasionally while my hair is in twist, but clearly I need to be doing more. So I don't know if I'm gonna do like a nice trim every 3 months, every 4 months, every 6 months. I'm not sure just yet, but I do want to make sure I'm on a nice schedule and doing it thoroughly. So yeah, this is my hair trimmed. I cannot wait to just receive more hair growth this year. My hair is growing like weeds, y'all, but let me know what you guys think of this trim. Did you guys trim your hair for the new year? Are you gonna get it trimmed? I would love to know. But I'm gonna show you how much hair that I trimmed off. It actually wasn't that much. I thought I trimmed off a lot more, but it was just this amount. So yeah, that's a nice trim for the new year. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And I will see you in another video.
Before we take a chance and do this.